Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the SD card and device settings. Insert a fast, empty SD card, then open Settings, Storage. You must decide, format as portable or format as internal adoptable. Choose internal if you want apps on SD. This encrypts and erases the card, so make a backup. Once you format, the system treats the card like internal storage, letting you move or install apps. Make sure your battery is above 20% to avoid interruptions during formatting. You continue with moving or installing apps. For existing apps, go to Settings, Apps, pick an app, tap Storage, then change and select the SD card as the destination. The move can take seconds to minutes depending on app size. Larger apps transfer slower. For new installs, some launchers or system settings let you set default install location. Select the SD internal. Make sure critical apps remain on internal if you notice performance lags, because some apps don't run well from slow cards. You finish by verifying functionality and handling problems. Launch each moved app to confirm data and permissions stayed intact. If an app crashes, reboot first. This often resolves link updates. If the SD shows errors or apps disappear, unmount and remount the card, or test it in another device to rule out card failure. As a key tip, always keep at least 10 to 20% free on the card to avoid slowdowns and install failures. Reformat only after restoring your backup if corruption.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.